Just a brief tour, TV videos, workout stuff, cycling videos, the tried and true treadmill. This baby is literally, boy, almost 20 years old and still going strong. But this new addition, I wanted to do an unboxing video, but these guys were so efficient. The bike was pre-assembled other than the screen, and I got to put the toe cages on yet. But this, there is no unboxing. Literally from the time they hit the front door, walking back out was 12 minutes. And so this is the Peleton Bike, and I wasn't sold on this at first. I wanted to make sure that it rode like a bike, felt like a bike, wasn't noisy, and didn't have that cheap band feel which some of the exercise bikes have. It's a true spin bike, and let the screen warm up before I fire it up and ride it. So I tried it at the Mall of America store, and I wasn't sold on it, probably because of the mall experience, and it just had the clips on there, and it's not real fun to ride this without proper shoes. But anyways, I had an opportunity to ride this at the Hyatt at Detroit's Metro Airport, and a fantastic hotel, great workout room, and they had a Peleton bike there, and so I spent a good chunk of a morning when I was stuck due to a recent Minneapolis blizzard riding this, and just fell in love with the bike, loved the screen, loved the instruction, and one of the final selling points was the pro rides. Some of the current cyclists that I have followed, like Christian Vandevelde, and also everybody knows George Hincapie, has some workouts on there. And so as a triathlete, that really kind of sold me. Solid bike, about 200 pounds, I think, and I'm looking forward to riding and sharing more about the Peleton Bike.